September 23rd, 2025.
Number 1. 1973 Pro Touring Hot Rod Mail Truck. Price, $50,000. Located in Little Falls, New Jersey, this 1973 Pro Touring Hot Rod Mail Truck is a unique custom build that blends vintage postal vehicle styling with modern hot rod attitude, resulting in a one-of-a-kind showpiece designed to turn heads anywhere it goes. The exterior retains the classic squared-off silhouette of an old mail truck, but every panel shows far more refinement than the vehicle's original utilitarian purpose. The paintwork is clean, smooth, and professionally finished, giving the truck a bold, attention-grabbing presence suitable for shows, cruise-ins, or weekend events. The door pickup access remains functional, paired with updated hardware that enhances reliability and ease of use. Inside, the vehicle continues the upgraded theme with a refreshed cabin that feels significantly more modern than any factory mail truck. The seating, dash layout, and controls have all been improved for comfort and everyday usability, making it enjoyable for both short drives and highway cruising. Mechanically, the truck represents a well-executed custom build. It runs strong, drives confidently, and delivers the kind of responsiveness expected from a hot rod, thanks to upgraded components throughout its drivetrain and suspension. The stance, ride quality, and overall performance show that this truck was built not just for display but for real-world enjoyment. Its condition is listed as used, but like new, reflecting the high level of craftsmanship and care invested into its transformation. This truck carries show-ready appeal while still offering practical drivability. Whether added to a collection or used as a standout weekend cruiser, this 1973 Pro Touring Hot Rod Mail Truck offers a rare blend of creativity, performance, and visual impact that is difficult to match. Number 2. 1932 Ford Vicky. Price, $37,500. Located in Dickinson, Texas, this 1932 Ford Vicky is a beautifully finished glass-bodied classic that blends traditional street rod styling with modern comfort, reliability, and striking craftsmanship throughout. Believed to feature a Downs body, this Vicky presents exceptional visual appeal, highlighted by deep metallic burgundy paint that reflects light with richness and depth, showing approximately 11,000 miles. The car is powered by a dependable 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and confident highway manners. It sits on a TCI chassis with a triangulated 4-link suspension that provides excellent ride control and stability. The exterior stands out with Boyd Coddington wheels, a drop-axle front end, front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes, balancing both style and functionality. Remote doors with electric poppers add convenience, while the undercarriage is painted to match the body, showcasing meticulous attention to detail. Inside, the interior complements the exterior with two-tone tan leather, a tan suede headliner, Stewart Warner gauges, power windows, vintage air and heat, and a billet steering wheel mounted on a tilt column believed to be from Flaming River. Mechanically and visually, this car is designed to impress. It stays cool on highway runs, making it a comfortable long-distance cruiser. The seller notes, the car is not perfect, but its eye appeal, drivability, and overall workmanship are undeniably strong. With a clean and clear Texas title, this 32 Ford Vicky represents an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a high-quality, show-ready street rod with timeless character. Number 3. 1934 Ford Coupe. Price, $25,000. Located in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, this 1934 Ford Coupe, a classic 3-window fiberglass build, offers a strong blend of traditional hot rod styling and dependable mechanical upgrades, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage looks paired with modern performance. The vehicle is powered by a 350 Chevy motor topped with a single tunnel ram and equipped with Holley Sniper fuel injection, ensuring crisp throttle response and reliable operation under various driving conditions. Paired with a 700R transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end, this setup provides smooth shifting and strong rear-wheel performance suited for both cruising and spirited weekend drives. The suspension includes a TCI chassis with rear coilovers, supplying confident handling and a comfortable ride. The braking system consists of front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, offering balanced stopping power for a vehicle of its era. Externally, the coupe carries clean white paint with well-maintained lines, and the body shows no major damage or issues. The fiberglass construction keeps the vehicle lightweight while preserving classic 1934 Ford proportions. Inside, the cabin features power windows, power brakes, and power steering, making the car far more user-friendly than many traditional builds. It is also prepped for heat and AC. Though the system is not currently connected, the seller notes that the car runs and drives great and is only being offered for sale due to health reasons, emphasizing that it is not a forced sale. With a clean title and only 2 previous owners, this 1934 Ford Coupe stands as a well-built, well-maintained street rod, ready for shows, cruising, or weekend enjoyment. Number 4. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $26,000. Location, Gann, Kentucky. This 1934 Chevrolet Master Sedan Coupe stands out as a rare, true survivor that has not been modified, cut, or transformed into a hot rod. Retaining its full originality, including its factory 6V electrical system, it provides an authentic look into early Chevrolet craftsmanship. With only 1,111 miles shown, it runs, starts, and drives remarkably well. The paint, while not perfect, remains impressive for its age. The interior is also in good shape, maintaining its original character without major deterioration. The seller purchased it as a project but no longer needs it. The price is firm, reflecting the rarity of an unaltered 34 Chevy Coupe. Number 5. 1934 Ford The August 5th Sedan Delivery, price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 Sedan Delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe, price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seat belts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. IT has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck, price, $26,500. Location: Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod. Price: $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Gucci's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality.